Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something you encounter every day, whether you realize it or not: machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let's dive into how this technology is shaping our lives, and more importantly, how you can prepare for a future in AI. From personalizing your social media feed to making online purchases smoother, AI is everywhere, but it's more than just about convenience. Let's talk about the foundations of machine learning and how it's affecting industries like healthcare, economics, and even politics. Machine learning doesn't just happen by magic. At the heart of it is data. AI models learn by interacting with massive amounts of data, making decisions and predictions based on it. But the question is, how can you get involved in this ever-growing field? First, let's start with programming. Machine learning runs on code, and the good news is, you don't need to be an expert right away. Python is a great language to start with. It's simple, versatile, and widely used in AI. Next up is statistics. Understanding basic statistics and probabilities is crucial for teaching machines how to interpret data. You don't need a degree, just a strong grasp of core concepts like mean, variance, and probability. Now, let's talk about calculus. You may not love math, but calculus is key to optimizing machine learning models. Concepts like integration and differentiation help you build better algorithms. Finally, we have linear algebra. Ever heard of 4D or even 100D data? While humans struggle with these, AI doesn't. Linear algebra helps machines process data in these higher dimensions, and here's the fun part: GPUs. Initially made for gaming, they're now crucial in AI because they handle massive computations at lightning speed. Without GPUs, many modern machine learning tasks would take forever. So, there you have it. AI is already revolutionizing the world, and it's only getting started. Whether it's through programming, math, or understanding data, there's no better time to dive into this field and be part of the future.